Hi students, this video I am going to explain you the new chapter called areas related to circles. Exercise chapter 12 of class 10. Areas related to circles. Okay, exercise 12. This is mainly based on the formula area of a circle. Area of the circle we know that pi r square. Area of the circle is pi r square. Let us start exercise 12.1. The first question, what did they give? See, the radii of two circles are 19 and 9 centimeters respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. Right. So, what did they give? You are given radius of two circles. R1 is equal to 19, R2 is equal to 9 centimeters, 9 centimeters, and you need a new radius. R is equal to what? New radius, where the circumference of the new circle C is equal to the sum of the circumference of the other two circles. Find the radius of the circle. You want to find out a new circle, the radius of the new circle, where the circumference is equal to the sum of the circumference of these two circles. That means C is equal to, C means you can take circumference of a circle 2 pi r. This becomes 2 pi r1, 2 pi r2. So you can take 2 pi r is equal to, take 2 pi common, r1 plus r2. 2 pi can get cancelled, r equal to r1 plus r2, that equal to 19 plus 9, that is equal to 28. Right. Now the second question. The radii of two circles are, r1 is equal to 8 and r2 is equal to 6. Find the radius of the circle having equal to the sum of the areas of the two other circles. The same concept, you need to find out radius of the new circle, r is equal to what? Where area is equal to sum of the areas of the two circles. Area formula is pi r square, this is the new circle, and we can take pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. So pi r square is equal to, take pi common, it becomes r1 square plus r2 square, you cancel pi. So r square is equal to r1 square 64 plus r2 square 36. So r square is equal to 100, r is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. Now see the third question. They have given some circles like this. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. They get taken three circles. Some circles. This part is gold part. The next part is red part. The next part is blue part. Next part is black part. This is blue. This is black. Next part is white part. Now, what did they say? The diameter, the circles are like this. The diameter of the region representing gold score is 21. Diameter of the smaller circle, gold, is 21. So, I take this one as RG. R with radius with gold is 21 by 2. You can also take it as 10.5 centimeter. We can use anything. Now, what did they say? And each of the other bands is of 10.5 width. That means this width is 10.5 for each. 10.5, 10.5, 10.5, 10.5. Like that it is going on, increasing. What is the area of each of the 5 scoring regions? You have to find out each of the 5 regions. So, first of all, let us find out the area of the gold. First, let us find out area of gold region. You have radius here, so area is equal to pi r square, rg square. So I take pi, r square means here pi I write 21 by 22 by 7, r is 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. 2 you cancel this with 11 and 7 you can cancel with this 33. So 11 3 is 33 into 21. 33 into 21. 693 by 2 centimeters square area. So it becomes 346.5 centimeters square. Area of gold is very simple. So this is the area of the gold region. Now to find out the area of a red region, see carefully. To find out the area of red region, what we say? Now the radius will be what? Here it is 21 by 2. That means 10.5 and here it is 10.5. So what happens? R2 will be, we take this one as R1. R2 will be is equal to 21 by 2 plus 21 by 2. That is equal to 21. So R2 is 21. So to find out the area of red region, what we have to find out? Pi R2 square minus pi R1 square. From the big circle, I have to remove the small circle area so that I will get the area of this region. I will get the area of this region, this band region. Okay. So what happens? Pi R2, take pi common, R2 square minus R1 square. So pi common, R2 square is 21 square minus 21 whole square by 4, because 21 by 2 whole square. Let us take 21 square common outside. It becomes pi into 21 square is 441 common, 1 minus 1 by 4. So now write pi as 22 by 7, 441 into 3 by 4. Now let us cancel this, 2 2s, 2 11s, 7 will get cancelled with this, 7 6 42, 7 3 is 21. Now 63 into 33 by 2. 63 into 33. 2079 by 2. It becomes 1039.5 centimeters square. Exactly. Okay. Now I'll rub this and I'll go with the blue region. Now what is R3? R3. Let us write R2 is equal to 21. R3 will be equal to 21 plus 21 by 2. 21 plus 21 by 2, it becomes 2 into 21, 42 plus 21, 63 by 2. Yes. Now to get blue region, this band, what should we do? Area of blue region is equal to pi R3 square. R3 means the whole three, R1, R2 and R3. So what we need? Pi R3 square minus pi R2 square. Pi R2 square. Take pi common outside. R3 square minus R2 square. So pi into R3 square is 63 by 2 whole square minus R2 square is 21 square. If you do little smartly, I can take 21 square common outside. Pi into 21 square. It is 21 into 3. 21 into 3. If I take 21 square outside, it becomes 3 square by 2 square. Because 21 into 3, it becomes 9 by 4 minus 1. It becomes 22 by 7 into 441 into 5 by 4. 5 because LCM if you take, it becomes 5 by 4. 2 2s, 2 11s, 7, it becomes 763. Now it becomes 63 into 55 by 2. 63 into 55. 5 3 is 15, 31. 3465 by 2. 3465 by 2. It becomes 1732.5 centimeter square. Okay. Now for black region, let us take R4. R4 is R4 is equal to 63 by 2 plus 21 by 2. 84 by 2, it equal to 42. To get this black region, what should we do? Pi R4 square minus pi R3 square, this region. So area of black region is equal to pi R4 square minus pi R3 square. Take pi common. R4 square is 42 square minus R3 square, 63 by 2 whole square. Again I take 21 square common in both of them. 21 square, it becomes 21 into 2, so 2 square 4. It becomes 3 by 2 whole square, 9 by 4. 3 by 2 whole square, 9 by 4. It becomes 22 by 7, 441 into 16 minus 9, 7 by 4. 2 2s 11, sorry 2 2s 4, 2 11s, and it becomes 7 63s. So 63 into 77 by 63 into 77 by 2. 4851 by 2. 4851 by 2. It becomes 2425.5 centimeter square. Okay. See for last one R5. R5 will be 42 plus 21 by 2. 42 plus 21 by 2. It becomes LCM is it is 95 by 105 by 2. 105 by 2. So pi area of white region is equal to pi R5 square minus pi R4 square. It becomes pi into 105 by 2 whole square minus R4 square is 42 square. So pi, take 21 square common again. It becomes 5 by 2 whole square, 25 by 4. It becomes 2 square 4. So it becomes pi means 22 by 7. 441. 25 minus 16, 9 by 4. 2 2s, 2 11s, 763. So 63 into 99 by 2. 99. 6237 by 2. That become 2 3s, 2 1s, 2 2s, sorry, 0.5 centimeter square. Okay. Now look at the next question. What did they give? They have told that the wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeters each. Say the wheel of a car is 80 centimeters each. So diameter is 80, so radius is 40 centimeter. Now let us convert this into meter. 40 by 100 meter. How many complete revolutions? So let us, n is equal to number of revolutions it takes. Number of revolutions it takes. In time is given as 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And the speed is given 66 kilometer per hour. So let us convert this into minutes and meters. 66,000 meters per hour per minute, it will be by 60 minutes. So meters per minute is story. Now what is happening here? How many revolutions it will make? See, for a wheel to complete one revolution, how many times it should rotate? It should complete one circumference, right? For a wheel to move from here to here, it should complete one complete revolution. One complete revolution means one circumference it will make. So one circumference, two circumference, third circumference, fourth circumference, like that it will move on. It should complete certain amount of distance. It should complete certain amount of distance. That means n means number of revolutions into circumference. Circumference is equal to distance actually. So n into number n, you have to find out how many revolutions it will make. Circumference is 2 pi r. Distance is speed into time. So n into 2 into pi is 22 by 7, and radius is given as 40 by 100 is equal to speed is given 66,000 by 60 into time is 10 minutes. Now let us find out the value of n. Let us calculate 0, 6, 1100 times 11, 100 times 11, 2 times again. Now 10 and this 4 gets cancelled. 4 gets cancelled with this 25 times. 2 will get cancelled with this 50 times. And 2 again with cancel this 25 times. So what are left? N by 7 into 25 is equal to 25. So n equal to 625 into 7. 625 into 7, that equal to 4375 revolutions. So how many revolutions it require? 4375. Okay. See the next question. Take the correct answer. If the perimeter and the area of a circle are numerically equal, that means P is equal to A, that means 2 pi r equal to pi r square. Then the radius of a circle, just cancel them. One of the r gets cancelled with this, so radius will be equal to 2 centimeters. 2 units, better. What are it like? Okay.